So I got my pop-on veneers in the mail a couple weeks ago, and I've been wearing them every day since. Total game changer. I'm missing a couple teeth, and I'm super self-conscious about it. So with pop-on veneers, I get to smile with my confidence back, and it's amazing. You can see I'm missing some teeth here, and my teeth are just super dingy, and I'm also super self-conscious about that. So I ordered them. I got the kit in the mail, did my impressions, super easy, and I sent them back. And in about 2 weeks, I got my pop-on veneers, and they come in this cute little case here that you can keep them in. And I got the tops and bottoms, and they're super easy to put in. And I love them so much. I'm so happy with them. They're super comfortable, and I can't ever stop smiling with them in. The first time I put them on, I cried. I was just so happy with them, and they look good. I love them so much. I have recommended pop-on veneers to everyone who has asked me where I got mine from, because they are like the best thing ever, to an affordable way to be able to be confident with my smile again. And I'm happy, beyond happy. They like went far beyond what I expected, and I'm just super happy with them.